Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching. My name is Alexander. I'm a Porsche certified brand ambassador at Champion Porsche in South Florida, and thanks so much for watching my YouTube videos. If you appreciate my YouTube walk around videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit that like button and feel free to comment down below. You can also contact me directly via cell phone or email with my contact information being in the video description. In today's walk-around video, I'd like to present you this spectacular certified pre-owned 2024 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This is a very special 911 Turbo S that is equipped with a lightweight sport package, a very rare package for the 911 Turbo S. So in today's walk-around video, we're going to highlight the build specification on this specific car and talk about the 992 Turbo S in general. Now, the 992 generation Turbo S, introduced in the US marketplace, is a model year 2021. This specific one is a model year 2024. Powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat six, producing 640 horsepower, connected to active all-wheel drive through an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. This specific one finished in shark blue on the outside, a color no longer available in the 992.2 generation. A very cool blue color, very bright, especially with the Turbo S version with the Lightweight Sport Package. Now, the Lightweight Sport Package, as the name suggests, is focused on more lightweight philosophy. There, from the top of the vehicle, we can see that this one has a carbon fiber roof, which is lighter, of course, than the standard aluminum roof or vehicle with a sunroof. Also, we can see that the mirror caps are finished in carbon fiber. The exterior package has the sport design exterior package, so we're going to see a redesigned front fascia, especially on the lower section here of the front bumper, with this shark fin element that continues here to the front of the vehicle. Let's get it from this angle where you can definitely see the more aggressive design here of the front fascia. Now, LED matrix design headlights are standard for the 911 Turbo S, and that's also the same for the PCCB, the Porsche Carbon Composite Brake System. Gigantic carbon ceramic rotor in the front, with the yellow painted caliper, and also center locking wheels, 20 inches in the front, 21 inches in the back, once again standard for the 911 Turbo S. That's the same for PDCC, Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, and then this one also has the PASM Sport suspension, so it is 1 centimeter lower than the standard suspension for the 911 Turbo S. Also, the beautiful side skirts on the lower section painted in high gloss black. The air intake to the flat six twin turbo, once again painted in high gloss black. Continue to the rear of the vehicle, we're going to see the sport design rear spoiler design, different to the standard rear spoiler for the 911 Turbo S, with this horn-shaped element on the outer section, and then with the upper element of the rear spoiler finished in high gloss black. Sport exhaust system also as part of the sport package to get the extra sound from the twin turbo flat six. Exhaust tips finished in black. Lower diffuser once again painted in high gloss black. This vehicle also has the exclusive design tail light, so you can see that the tail light going across is completely clear, removing the red element in the tail light housing itself. And again, also a part of the lightweight sport package is the fact that the vehicle has no rear seats. You can imagine the weight savings that creates with having no back seats in the 911 Turbo S, and especially in combination with, therefore, the lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats. Now, these seats are very popular on the RS products of the 911. But you can imagine with the lightweight sport package with no rear seats, the weight savings that these carbon fiber seats have versus the 18-way Sport Seats Plus. You can see more use of blue on the inside with the beautiful shark blue seat belts. Also, shark blue has been used on the instrument cluster, on the dashboard going across in the center console. And it continues here in the beautiful door panel, once again, shark blue inlay. This vehicle also equipped with a Burmester speaker system, GT Sport steering wheel and Sport Chrono standard on the Turbo S. You can also see that the instrument dial on this one is finished in white. This vehicle also optionally equipped with the front axle lift system, so with the press of a button, the vehicle can raise in the front by about 1.5 inches. And also the standard gear selector has been replaced by the exclusive design gear selector, which is milled down from a solid block of aluminum with some beautiful black leather around it. The current mileage is just over 3,200 miles. Low mileage example, again being offered as certified pre-owned. Incredible performance level, of course. Top speed over 200 miles an hour, and 0 to 60 have been measured in the 992 Turbo S in about 2.5 seconds. Lightweight sport package, again, very rare for the 911 Turbo S. If you're an enthusiast out there looking for one, feel free to contact me directly. Again, my cell phone number and email will be in the video description. Champion Porsche, the #1 largest volume retailer in North America. So again, if you're looking for a Porsche, again, feel free to reach out to me directly and I can see what I can do for you. I want to thank you for sharing the Porsche passion. I will see you guys in the next video. And again, thank you so much for watching this 2024 Shark Blue Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupe with Lightweight Sport Package. Bye-bye.